Hello everybody, it's Jordan Computer Scientist here, and I'm just going over what it's like to be a 2023 graduate in the 2024 job market. So I actually decided to go back to school in like fall 2018, and a couple classes were hard, set me back a little bit, and I ended up graduating fall of last year, 2023, and I am very proud of that accomplishment. And I was really looking forward. I was really looking forward to actually graduating, starting my job, and finally working towards being financially free. And there was a small worry inside of me. I had like a small thought of of course it would be me to graduate and then the market goes bad. But it's 2020, everything's going great, everybody's getting jobs. I'm just not in a position to get my degree yet. I wasn't in a position to graduate yet. So, I was being optimistic. I was like, what, maybe the market will stay where it's at and it won't go down by the time I graduate. And guess what? I predicted the future. I've been applying and it's really hard out there. And I'm taking steps to not lose the things that I do know and also gain more knowledge in some of the things that I don't know. And just constantly applying and hoping for the best while continuing to practice. One thing that I started doing on the side was building a project. It's an iOS app which just kind of schedules appointments for a barber. It's pretty simple, kind of. When I finish it, it will probably be the thing that I've created that I'm most proud of. And I'm really close to finishing it. I actually plan on having it on the App Store. It's not for me, but I'll just go over it once I actually finish it, and if it actually ends up on the App Store, because I've heard that it takes some time to actually be on get on the App Store, because you have to apply, and once you apply, you gotta wait for approval, and the only thing that's holding developers back is the actual approval from Apple. So we'll see how that goes, but as of right now, I'm really close to actually finishing that. I'll put that on my resume. I'll have more things to talk about, really, because that's a really great app. It connects to a database, and whenever you click complete on an appointment, it actually deletes it from the database. So I think it's my most practical app that I'm making, and it'll show that I'm actually able to do things. So I'm excited for that. Other than that, I've actually been getting interviews. I've been on Reddit a lot. I know I shouldn't be, because that's kind of the most negative place to be if you're a CS major or just in computer science period right now. But I've been on Reddit a lot, and I've been seeing a lot of people giving up on applying to jobs. I've been seeing a lot of people actually get jobs, a lot of people that have jobs hating their jobs, and a lot of people getting laid off. It's pretty crazy right now, and I'm really hoping that it is just right now, because I went to school for this, and I quit car sales to go back to school for this. And life sucks. There's a lot of TikToks about how CS majors are beverage engineers. I'm a sales engineer in a sense, because I went back into retail for the time being, hopefully for the time being. But I couldn't just sit in the house and be reminded about how I don't have a job every single day. So at least I was able to get a job in retail. And actually, I am kind of grateful about that, because while being on the internet, I've also seen that it's not just tech that's having a really hard time, which I really thought it was just tech because of the way everything's being worded. But there's a lot of tech companies that are laying off people, but they aren't just all programmers, and it's just the way that you would think of it. But really, it's just sales in a tech company that's also getting laid off. It's not just the engineering department. But even then, it's crazy. I seen this one woman who was crying on TikTok about how hard it was to get a job at a coffee shop, and that's crazy. The market is pretty crazy, and I'm really hoping that once interest rates go down and it's not as expensive to borrow money, hiring happens again and something happens. But anyway, I have an interview today. It's a video interview, and I'm really hoping that I can really do good on this one, because out of the 5-ish interviews that I've had, I just be getting ghosted, and that's just the sad reality. But at least I'm getting interviews. So that means that my resume isn't too bad. So people are actually reaching out. I just have to keep practicing coding skills and I guess math problems. I did have like this one math problem that I've never seen before, but I thought I had the right answer. I was really close to the right answer, but it wasn't what they were looking for, and they never called me back. But it's okay, because they was only paying $55 a year. So I have a LeetCode problem up where I'm gonna go over a solution. I already did it, but I don't remember what I did. But yeah, let's go over this. And this is also another easy one. I've been doing a lot of easy, just trying to work my way up. I don't even know if, you know, this actually work. Well, I think it's working. You know, I've been doing some mediums. I just haven't really done a video on any mediums yet. But we're gonna keep LeetCoding until we get employed, and making stuff until we get employed. Because once the time comes and, like, let's say you have the opportunity to get a job, not being prepared really could screw you over. So here we are. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed, then return the number of elements in nums that are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val to be k to get accepted. And you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that k elements of nums contains the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. Now, I remember this part right here being kind of what I looked over, because I was like, this wouldn't really be the answer because the size of the array is still, but it clearly says right here. I don't know how I overlooked it, but yeah, size doesn't matter and the remaining elements doesn't matter, because essentially what I'm going to be doing is whenever the array element equals value, I'm going to be switching this, not that, but you know, I'm just going to be making this like the next value until it doesn't equal it at all anymore. I believe that's what I was gonna do. But yeah, let's just start coding. Okay, so for this, what I'm gonna do is just a simple for loop. For int I equals 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, and then if nums I equals val, then system.out.println here, just to see if we can get something going. Then we're going to return 0. And when you run that, you get here, we got 2 of those there, and then you get here, because we have 3 occurrences of this value, which is expected. Now, if nums I equals val, we're going to, well, number one, I need another value, well, not value, variable, k equals 0, and then if nums val equals, because it would just go up every time. We'll see. We'll figure it out. So if nums I equals val, then let's go here. Nums I does equal val, so we're just gonna swap with the next one. Actually, hold on. If nums I does not equal val, so let's say, okay, so this one equals value, so we're not doing anything. This one does not equal value. So what we're gonna do is take this one and we're going, that's nums I, right? So we're gonna do int temp equals nums I. So we're taking 2 and we're making it nums k, which is 0, plus, no, not plus, I don't know where that came from. Num0 equals temp. No. Num0, well, I mean, I guess it could equal temp because it equals that. And then nums I equals temp, sorry, and nums k equals nums k equals temp at the bottom, so k now equals 2, and nums I should equal nums k before the assignment, which would make this 3. Yes. And then if nums I does not equal value, that means that k goes up a number because they are not equal. I believe this is correct because I'm swapping them here. Where am I at? 4 minutes? I'm swapping them here. Let's run that. Okay, this is wrong. Oh, wait, I'm returning 0. Sorry. Return k. And then we got it because this swap function works. And I explained that, but let's see if, yeah, this one's good. Output is 0, 1, 3, 0, 4, but it's expected, but it doesn't matter because it's not the same. Is mine is in order. This one is, wait, what? 0, 1, 3, 0, 4, 0, 1, 3, 0, 4. Yeah, mine is in order of how this is, and this one is just 0, 1, 4, 0, 3. I don't know why. That's neither here nor there. Let's submit this, see how we get it going, and let's see if I got a pass. I do. Oh yeah, got a pass. Yeah. I don't remember if this was my first solution, but that you know, the fact that the array is still this size was really throwing me the first time, really throwing me for a loop the first time, and then I just had to remember that I'm thinking too hard, and sometimes you just gotta relax. I guess I could check it. Oh, last time I did it was January 30th, so that's good. Probably is the same one since it's, you know, whatever. But yeah, state of the job market sucks, but I'm still applying. So thank you for watching my video. I'm going to see all of you in my next one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and X. My name on X is Jordan the CS. My name on Instagram is jordanthecs.js. Don't forget to join my Discord. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I'm insecure still, and she started